Welcome to Greenshine Farmers. Today we're going to build rabbit tractors. Welcome to Greenshine Farmers video blog about a family starting a farm and going back to the homestead lifestyle. Episode 24, How to Build a Rabbit Tractor. Happy Easter, everybody! Today we're going to build rabbit tractors. Now, rabbit tractors are movable cages that you can drag across the field to raise out your rabbits. We're raising meat rabbits. Ours are New Zealand Reds crossed with Californians. And enjoy the video. We're going to do it step by step. So this is going to be our lid, and I'll zoom in and show you. We've got the length 6 feet, and the inside we cut them at 2 feet 8 inches, so that the total is going to be 3 feet wide. Now we're going to build the top and the bottom. They're going to be the same for the rabbit tractor. We've got our 6 feet long and our 2 feet by 8 inches wide, because they're going to go in the center, making it 3 feet wide when we're done.
Alright, so we're drawing out our braces here, just kind of getting a rough idea. We're going to cut these at 45-degree angles, and they don't really need to be big because there's going to be 3 of them on each corner, 28 braces total. So this is just going to kind of be our prototype, and then we'll cut the rest of them to the same size.
Okay, so to attach the height 2x2s. Since we attached the frame with a screw here, we can't just do another screw this way. And to also make it stronger, because we're going to be dragging it across the field a little bit every day so they can have new grass to graze, we're going to do braces. So as you see on the inside, each corner is going to have 3 braces, and we're just going to drill the screw, and it's going to attach the braces this way, so it'll be super strong. Alright, now we're going to put the top and line it up on our little height beams we made so that we can screw from the top. Alright, so now that the bottom is done, we're just going to flip the whole thing over. Now we haven't done the top yet, so we're going to go around and screw that top on. Do you like the rabbit tractor? Are you climbing on it? You going to dance in it? Dancing in the tractor. No. Alright, so we're just going to attach these middle beams. I'm just going to give a quick measure if my son gets his hand out of the way. We just want them in the middle at 3 feet, just to make sure that the top and bottom are equal with each other.
This is our wire. It's just 16 gauge steel wire, 1x1. You can really use, you could use 1x2 or 1/2 inch or whatever, but we just went with this because it's in a 2-foot roll. And it's just enough to cover what we need to cover, and we won't have to cut it as much because this is 2 feet, so it just worked out. But yeah, you can pretty much use whatever, just as long as the rabbits can't get out.
So we are just attaching the cage wire via staple gun. find it to be pretty strong and pretty cheap and easy to fix if something goes wrong. Okay, we now have the wire on the top and the side and the bottom, and we left this open. We're actually going to build like a little tin shelter here and on the other side and all of the back, and the entire roof is going to be the roof by the door right there is all going to be just tin, just to kind of give them a place to keep them dry and kind of give them a little huddle house and a little shade. So we're almost done. Here are our 5-week-old bunnies hopping around their new rabbit tractor. I got 2 waters for them and some supplemental food. You found an egg? Oh, did the Easter Bunny leave that egg? Can you open it? You gotta put the eggs in the basket because you can't carry them all. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy.
If you guys like this video and you'd like to see more like it, leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, visit us at greenshinefarms.com and follow us on Instagram at greenshinefarms. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.